Welcome to the heart of rural India, where tradition meets modern agriculture. Today, we take you on a fascinating journey through a buffalo farm factory, where hard work, dedication, and innovation come together to sustain one of the most important industries in the country. And in this video, we're going to explore how buffalo farming is done here in India. From milk production to the latest technologies used, let's discover what makes this industry so vital for the Indian economy and families across the country. Buffalo farming in India is deeply rooted in tradition. The Indian water buffalo is prized for its high-quality milk, which is rich in fat and used to make everything from dairy products to sweets. This farm houses over-numbered buffaloes and produces amount liters of milk daily. The animals are cared for with attention to their health and well-being. Let's meet the team behind this operation. Running a farm of this size is no small task. Every day begins with milking, feeding, and cleaning. These buffaloes are fed a carefully balanced diet, including fresh grass, silage, and supplements to ensure they produce the best quality milk. Our buffaloes are part of the family. We ensure they have access to fresh water, clean stalls, and regular veterinary checkups. A healthy buffalo is a productive buffalo. The health of the animals is a priority. Regular vet visits and vaccinations help keep diseases at bay and ensure that the herd remains strong and healthy. One of the most important aspects of the farm is, of course, the milking process. While traditional hand milking is still common on smaller farms, here we use modern machines that help us get the job done efficiently and hygienically. The milk is immediately collected, cooled, and transported to local dairy factories. This ensures it stays fresh and ready to be processed into a variety of dairy products. India is the largest producer of buffalo milk in the world, and it's no surprise that so many delicious products come from this very farm. From creamy yogurt to rich ghee, buffalo milk is a staple in Indian kitchens. Of course, farming comes with its challenges. The weather, fluctuating market prices, and the cost of animal care all affect the bottom line. But sustainable practices are key to long-term success. This farm is making strides in sustainability. They use solar energy to power parts of their operations and practice water conservation techniques to ensure minimal waste. Buffalo farming isn't just a business, it's a way of life for many families here in India. The dedication and care that go into this work are truly remarkable. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the Buffalo Farm Factory. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of agriculture and farming.
Welcome to Tech Machine, where we explore the innovative processes behind modern agriculture. In this episode, we delve into the fascinating world of green onion farming factories. Discover the cutting-edge techniques and technologies that go into creating these efficient and sustainable farming facilities. From seed to harvest, witness how these farms are revolutionizing the way we grow and distribute green onions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the creation of green onion farming factories. Stay tuned for our next episode as we continue to explore groundbreaking advancements in technology and agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content from Tech Machine.